Good morning, ma'am. You were arrested for possession of cocaine and resisting an officer without violence. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. There's probable cause for the charges. Unfortunately, you have the hold. You'll see Judge Young on Monday for F-20-8510. So count one, possession of cocaine will be $1,000. Count two, resisting without is $500. Have a good day. Next, we have Cassandra Oliva. Get it right. Good morning, ma'am. You were arrested for battery on a person aged 65 or older. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So it's from March 17th. You still living with Grandma?
Yes, Judge. If we could, can I give my dad number? Judge, can we pass this so we can get Grandma on the Zoom?
Yeah, I don't see an age for Grandma either.
I didn't see that either.
What?
I didn't see that either.
Okay, so it's only PC for what, battery? Next we have is Destiny Holmes. Ms. Corey. Are you Ms. Holmes?
Yes,
ma'am. You were arrested for burglary to an occupied structure and grand theft. It's from July 16th. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. This is the same.
Unlike the co-defendants, she doesn't have any priors, so maybe a program for this defendant.
Okay. How long have you been living here in Miami, ma'am?
About a year.
Okay. What month did you move here?
Around December. I be back and forth. I'm not
Do you live here in Miami, or where do you live?
I originally live in Tallahassee, but I be back and forth. My mom stays here, but I'm in school.
Oh, okay. So I'm going to order that you stay away from the Marathon gas station at 4941 Southwest 8th Street in Miami, Florida. You're not allowed to go to that location. You must stay away from there. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Pretrial services, alternate bond, $2,500. Count one, $2,500. Count two. Have a good day. Count one is an unoccupied structure, just so we're clear.
The gas station is occupied, but not the room.
What?
The gas station is occupied, but not the room.
The room, that's why. Next is Kiandra Felony Page 2. Where's the paper, the printout, everything's here. Here's the two I passed. Good morning, Ms. Felony. You were arrested for possession with intent to sell cocaine. No, possession with intent to sell cocaine within 1,000 feet of a church or convenience store, sale of cocaine, and possession of cocaine. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So let me review for probable cause.
State's requesting an arrest with the highest of bonds.
It was a search warrant. There's probable cause. Count one will be 1 second. As I mentioned, yeah, it does. It does. Count one, possession with intent to sell cocaine is $10,000. Count two, sale of cocaine, $2,500. Count three, possession of cocaine, $2,500. Good luck to you, ma'am.
I'm sorry, just count one. What was it?
$10,000. It's within 1,000 feet. It's an F1. I have a lot of priors. 1 second.
In on a bench warrant.
Yeah, but I can lower it a little. I'll set count one at $7,500. Okay. Or I can do five. Count one will be $5,000. 2 and 3 are $2,500 each. There you go. 10,000 total. Good luck to you, man. Next case is Ruby Knight, page 2. Somebody wants to know how to go to 27. Well, you can take the escalator, but if you're looking on Zoom, you got to go on the 11th Judicial Circuit website and you can log in there. I don't know what to tell you otherwise. Hi, Miss Knight. You were arrested for burglary to an occupied structure and grand theft. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. This is July 17th, the cigarette theft.
So I'm looking at the DOC website. It says that she's on probation that's been suspended from Broward County, and that's related to multiple counts of theft. Her address in the GOC website is also listed as Tallahassee.
Ma'am, you are ordered to stay away from the Marathon gas station at 4941 Southwest 8th Street in Miami, Florida. You are not allowed to go to that location. You must stay away from there, ma'am. So I'm setting up on count 1, there's probable cause for burglary to an unoccupied structure, $2,500 bond. Count 2, grand theft is $2,500. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next we have is Lamara Frazier.
If the victim is present and wants to talk to the judge, can you please raise your hand on Zoom?
Good afternoon. Good morning, ma'am. You were arrested for a case from yesterday, aggravated battery and battery. I will appoint the public defender's office for you. So I need a moment to review for probable cause. In a felony battery, I don't think she intended to ship it to
the judge.
Ma'am, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victim, Daniel Lorena, the father of your children, and I guess his new lady friend, Ladanis Alvarez. No contact with, oh, he's here now, so okay. No contact, let me hear what he has to say. Sir, please unmute, put on your video. Sir, please unmute and put on your video. If you wish to be heard, you have to unmute and put on your video, otherwise I'm going to read the stay away order. He's not responding.
Type in the chat.
What?
If you're having issues, type in the chat.
Sir, ma'am, you are ordered to stay away from the alleged victims, Daniel Lorena and Ladanis Alvarez. No contact with the alleged victims, either directly, indirectly, in person, in writing, by telephone, or through third parties. No contact with the victims through social media or other electronic means. And you must stay at least 500 feet away from the victims, their home and school, and place of employment at all times. Do not engage in any criminal activity. Do not use or possess illegal drugs. And do not use, purchase, possess, or carry a firearm, gun, weapon, or ammunition. You must immediately surrender any firearms, ammunition, and any concealed weapons permits to the nearest police department and follow receipt with the court. And also, third-party contact is permitted for exchange of the children for time sharing. So unless there's you're married to him or no? Sir, you gotta accept a promotion, and I can hit.
He wrote in the chat that he wants to know, I guess, where the kids are.
This is not family court. This is criminal court. I don't know where your children are. Third-party contact is permitted for exchange of the children for time sharing. Does she have any priors?
She's talking, we can't hear what she's saying. The only priors I saw were related to driving.
Okay, fine. Ma'am, where are the children? Are they with your family?
Good morning, Your Honor. Sorry about that. I was trying to
We're
activate
with
my
family, Judge.
They're with the family, so I'm allowing third-party contact for exchange of children. Any other issues, you need to go to family court.
Yeah, we're in the process of that. It has to be parental. It has to be like a set schedule. My two might have autism, and he can't pick them up one day a month and then just drop them off. It's psychologically messing them up.
You know what? It takes two parents to get along, fighting on the kids doesn't help, okay? Give them a chance, let them participate too. You can do the exchange through your mom or whoever you want, but that has to be done through family court.
Good morning, Your Honor. Can you hear me now?
I can hear you, sir. I ordered her to stay away from you enough. Anything else you want to say?
Yes, ma'am. So you're permitting the third party contact about the children, but they're not allowing me any contact to my children. I try
Go to family court. You have to go to family court. There's a self-help office at the Lawson E. Thomas Courthouse Center on the 24th floor. They have a self-help office where you can get the paperwork. You can. Are you married to her or no?
No. Thank you.
You'd have to file a petition to determine paternity and ask a family court judge to give you a parenting plan and time sharing schedule.
Yeah, that was the situation, actually. That's the reason everything went to hell.
So listen, I don't have time to discuss family issues. Just if you can either hire a private lawyer, or you can go over to family court, and then the 24th floor, they'll send you the package you can fill out. so that you can file the paperwork with the court. And even if you can't afford it, they'll reduce the fee. And the clerk's office would also, if you do an affidavit of indigency, if you can't afford the filing fee, it's like $405, I think, or $401. If you can't afford the filing fee, they'll waive it. So there's nothing stopping you from going to family courts to see your children, okay? Get legal time sharing. That way there'll be no issues at all.
Okay, thank you.
Anyway, thank you. You're okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. My mouth, I can't really feel the top of my mouth, but
I'm
yeah,
sorry to
it
hear
worked
that.
perfectly. She actually had something in her hand when she did that. So
All right.
I'm
So-
sorry about the bother, Your Honor.
No worries. I was gonna give her a pretrial, so she doesn't have to pay a bond. I don't, unless you want, I don't know, are you objecting to
I
pretrial?
asked for free trial, Judge. Looks like
Yeah, I would like a stay away order, please.
I just did the stay away order. I read it. She's not allowed to go near you or your girlfriend.
Sir, when she punched you, were you in the car or were you out of the car?
I was out of the vehicle trying to avoid her hitting my girlfriend.
Pretrial services alternate bond $1,000. I mean, 5,000 count one, 1,000 count two.
It's over 6.
All right, good luck to you, sir. Thank you for coming in, ma'am.
Thank you.
It's co-parenting is very important, and if you're not gonna let him see the child, the judge is gonna give him makeup time sharing. All right, you can, sir, you can always ask that family court judge for makeup time sharing if she doesn't let you see your children.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Next, we have Dezane Walker, page 3.
Bonded out, Your Honor, and
Thank you.
bonded out also.
Say it again, what'd you bond out for Walker, who else bonded out?
Compton.
Thank you. Apollonia Compton is also a bond out.
That hearing had a little bit of everything. Judge Mindy S. Glazer presided over a string of first appearances, and the cases ranged from drug possession to family disputes, with her tone shifting from brisk efficiency to deliberate patience, depending on the circumstances. Opened with a defendant facing possession of cocaine and resisting an officer without violence. Judge Glazer appointed the public defender, found probable cause, and set bond at $1,000 for possession and $500 for resisting, moving quickly but keeping the record clear. Cassandra Oliva's case carried more weight. She was arrested for battery on a person 65 or older, and while the details were limited, Judge Glazer confirmed the charge, appointed counsel, and began reviewing family contacts, noting the grandmother was central to the living arrangements. Destiny Holmes followed, facing burglary and grand theft charges tied to a gas station incident. Holmes explained she split her time between Tallahassee and Miami while in school, and Judge Glazer imposed a stay-away order from the Marathon Station on Southwest 8th Street, setting bond at $2,500 for each count. The standout legal exchange came with Kiandra Felony Page, charged with multiple cocaine offenses, including possession with intent to sell within 1,000 feet of a church or store. Judge Glazer carefully reviewed the search warrant, confirmed probable cause, and adjusted bond to $10,000 total after weighing the priors. Ruby Knight's case brought things back to the gas station theft saga, with the court noting her probation in Broward had already been suspended for similar conduct. Judge Glazer set bond at $2,500 per count and issued another stay-away order. Then came Lamara Frazier, charged with aggravated battery involving the father of her children and his new partner. The alleged victim logged into Zoom but struggled with audio. Judge Glazer asked him to unmute, turn on video, or type in chat. She ultimately imposed a broad stay-away order covering both alleged victims, but allowed for third-party contact to exchange children for time-sharing. She even gave practical advice to the father, directing him to the family court self-help office for a parenting plan, rather than trying to litigate custody during a bond hearing. The atmosphere throughout was brisk, but respectful. Some defendants, like Holmes, were polite but a little uncertain, while others, like Frazier, seemed caught between family tensions and criminal allegations. Judge Glazer stayed steady, efficient with routine cases, but taking extra time when children and family dynamics were involved. Attorneys were professional, the interpreter stepped in where needed, and the judge balanced compassion with clarity, ensuring every defendant knew their conditions before leaving. If you found this hearing insightful, consider subscribing, hitting the bell, and letting me know your thoughts in the comments below. I read every one.